Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USBC Jan Public School, and today we'll do the next criteria to construct a triangle of chapter 10 practical geometry of class 7. So here the criteria is A as A, that means angle, side, angle. So it means to say here the side will be in between the given angles. So see here what is here. We could construct a triangle when the measures of two of its angles and the length of the sides included between them is given. Fine. It means to say here when we are having two angles on one side, that means to say here the angles will be on the side of the triangle. The side will be in between the angles. Fine. For example, see here I have done one construction of triangle XYZ where XY is 6 cm and measure of angle X is 30 degree and measure of angle Y is 100 degree. As you can see that side is XY here. It means to say the angle is X and Y and both are given to us. So first of all what we'll do here, first of all we'll draw the base of the triangle, let it be 6 cm. Fine. Then after drawing the base of the triangle, that is XY, we'll construct or we can draw with the help of compass or protractor, that is up to you. With the help of compass or protractor you will draw X as 30 degree angle on X. Then on Y you will construct an angle of 100 degree with the help of protractor only. Fine. Then what we'll do here, we will check that where they are going to, both the angles are going to meet, that one intersecting point of both the angles will be Z. Fine. So in this way, when both the angles and included side is given to you, you can construct a triangle. Then same here in next criteria is RHS. RHS means to say right angle, hypotenuse and side is given to you. Then how you will construct your triangle. See here what will be there. First of all I will tell you that what is hypotenuse here. So just remember one thing, that let's suppose this is a right angle triangle. See here it is a right angle triangle, you can see here this is a right angle triangle, and then this is your right angle. Fine. This is your right angle here. So just remember one thing, that the side which is opposite to right angle, that is always a hypotenuse. Fine. I mean to say this is a right angle here and this is your hypotenuse. Fine. And this can be your base and this can be your perpendicular. Fine. The side which is opposite to right angle, that is known as hypotenuse here. So what we'll do here, please pay attention here. We could construct a triangle when a right angle and the length of one of its legs, I mean to say maybe this one side or this one side, because both are the other legs of this triangle, of one or legs and its hypotenuse are given. Then see how to construct a triangle. See again I have taken one example, that construct a triangle LMN right angled at M. Right angled at M means to say here that we will construct right angle at M only. Mean to say angle M is a right angle here. And LN, the length of LN is 5 cm and MN is 3 cm. As we know that we have to construct a right angle triangle right angled at M. So we can see here in LN there is no M, but here in MN M is there. So we will take MN as base. Mean to say here on which angle we are having right angle, that one will be your base. So as here angle right is on M, so I will take MN as base and I will construct right angle on M here. Fine. On constructing right angle, and what I will do here, as it is given that the hypotenuse which one, that is opposite to right angle, that is LN here. LN is 5 cm. So as we are not having L but we are having N here, so we will place our compass here and will open it up to 5 cm and make an arc on right angle. Fine. Then where it is going, this one arc is going to cut this right angle, named it as L. Mean to say here this is your L point. Now I am going to join L and N both, and on joining this it becomes your hypotenuse, and in this way you can construct your right angle triangle by using the criteria RHS. In this way, with using these criteria, which will help you to construct the triangles in this chapter, and definitely they will help you to construct the triangles.